Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to see how to install vinyl plank floor.
The room is 3.5 meters square. We are going to see the materials and tools we are going to need: a roll of polyethylene, the parquet boards, basement boards, a hammer, a cutter, some spacers, and a pulling bar, and a tapping block. All these three elements came with the installation kit: glue for the basement boards, a ruler, small nails, a jigsaw. A meter saw is optional to do the cuts at 45 degrees.
Okay, we place the polyethylene in the floor.
This should cover all the floor. Use the cutter to cut the polyethylene next to the border. I'm going to cut the second layer of the polyethylene next to the border of the first layer. We should start to place the second layer on top of the plastic transparent border of the first layer. We are going to place the first piece and we are going to leave the female part to the exterior. We are going to use the spacers to leave 1 centimeter for dilatation. I have to put the next piece knowing that I have to leave 1 centimeter of margin. When we are installing a board next to the wall, we are not going to need the pulling bar to finish to connect the boards. We use the hammer to put the two boards together. And we can use the tapping board that is more comfortable where we are inserting a board that is not next to a wall. The floor is ready and now it's time to place the baseboards. We need to cut the baseboards at 45 degrees, so I'm going to set the meter saw at 45 degrees. Now we are going to use glue to put the baseboard to the wall. We are going to need to use some nails. Okay, and this is how it looks like when it's finished. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.